Hi guys, Rich here. Today I want to talk to you guys about YouTube Shorts. Whatever you do, don't dismiss it. And I'm going to share some stuff with you guys. I got a couple of websites I want to share with you, and I'm going to share some personal information with you guys, so I hope you can stick around. Without further ado, let's get right to it. Okay, first off, I'm going to give you the URL for the simple reason is I don't read everything verbatim on these websites I give you. The rest is up to you to pick up where I left off if you choose to do so. All right, first one over here is from TubeBuddy. It's www.tubebuddy.com, and as you can see here, it says how to make money with YouTube Shorts. So we're going to read a little into this here. We're going to go to the next page, and then I'm going to show you some stuff with mine. And this is just to give you a little insight of that you can make your channel grow if you use these techniques here. Okay, I'm only sharing the information with you guys, so let's check it out here. Okay, I'm going to read a little into. I'm not going to read everything here. It says YouTube Shorts have been a massive win for not only YouTube but for its creators. The feature has generated more than 5 trillion views on the platform, and YouTube is fully vested into its future. Then it goes on to say, Shorts have been a rich source of extra views and engagement for many creators, but there's been some confusion over how to make the revenue from them. Now, I'm not going to get too much into that there, okay? You guys could read a little into it there. I'm just bringing this to your attention here. This is the title you're looking for, How to Make Money with YouTube Shorts. You could read more into it. I'm sorry if I'm speaking fast and going quick. It's just that I don't want to take too much time up with this topic here, so I just want to put it out there really quick. Here's some of the highlights over here. I'm not going to read too much of it. YouTube Shorts and Google AdSense revenue. YouTube Shorts $100 million fund, get paid to be creative. Are you eligible for Shorts fund payout? And so on and so forth. Start making money from YouTube Shorts, okay? All right, that's the first site. The other one is over here. This one here is from Ignite Visibility, because it goes on to say here, YouTube Shorts, are they worth it? Ignite, I'm sorry, again, tongue-tied already here. Are they worth it? Ignite Visibility, okay? All right, whatever. I'm over here reading too quick over here. And then it goes on to say here, thanks to the rise of TikTok, short-form content, video content is taking the social media world by storm. This type of content is fun, entertaining, easy to watch. After seeing the success of TikTok having one of the social media platforms quickly jumped onto the trend, releasing their own version of the short-form video content. Now, I'm going to show some stuff with my personal thing here, what I think, why I think it's good, and it does, I believe, help your channel grow to some point, okay? It goes on to say here, what are YouTube Shorts? Then it goes as first introduced in India, September 2020. YouTube Shorts are short form videos that are 60 seconds or less. Okay, creators can use musical overlays, text, and graphics to spice up their content. All right. Again, I didn't give you a URL for this here. Let me give it to you. It's www.ignitevisibility.com. All right, I'm going to bump out of here, and I'm going to show you some of my information, what I think is helped my channel grow somewhat. So let's go without further ado. Let me just bump out of the screen here. Okay, before I get into my information I want to share with you guys, I just want to read this really quick. Again, if you're thinking about getting involved with the YouTube Shorts, you might want to check this out. It says over here, it's engaging, entertaining, and educational. It's a great way to build your brand awareness, increase the reach, and find new lifelong fans. I think that YouTube Shorts are definitely trend-worthy exploring, especially if you already have long-form video content on the platform. Okay, now I just want to put that out there. I'm going to share some views on mine, on my YouTube Shorts. All right, now this one over here, I just want to show you the views per hour. Okay, I'm a small-time YouTube creator, folks. All right, and I think for a small-time creator like myself, it's not too bad. 188 views per hour, which is that one there. The next one over here, check this out. This one was one of my longest short video. I got a lot of views on this here. Over 17,000 views per hour on this one here, the short video of the new tuber. Okay, I think that's pretty cool. I think it's really good considering. And then over here, here's another one. Lose subscribers, no worry. YouTube's getting rid of the spam accounts. This one got a little over 3,000 views per hour. All right, and let's see, I got a couple more over here, I think. We got this one here, using B-roll in your videos. This one got 554 views per hour. And this one over here, trolls in your videos, it's got 771 views per hour. I think that's about it, yeah. So what I'm trying to share with you guys here is that not only do you get views, but I also have on my other, this is just the views per hour. but on my other videos, I have more views than that. Like you see the views just alone, okay, on some of them, because not all my YouTube videos, shorts, got a lot of views like this here, 771, the one that was over for 3,000, those videos there. The other ones didn't get that many views on them, but it just goes to show you that you do get some kind of response from this here. So if you are thinking about, or if you have a YouTube channel, or you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, you might want to consider using shorts, folks. Really, you try to YouTube shorts. I did more than this here. These are just a few of them over here, and the reason why I highlighted these is because I want to show you the views per hour. I think it's pretty cool. Like I said again, I'm a small-time YouTube creator. So if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or if you already have an established YouTube channel, don't dismiss shorts. Try them out. I guarantee it, you're going to get some response from it. You may get a lot of views from it, and you may get some subscribers for it. My name is Rich Bassini. Thank you for stopping in. Sorry I'm talking fast. I just want to keep this video short. If you like any of the videos, check out my other ones. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. Until next time, bye-bye for now.